Hey guys and dolls, and welcome into another video. My name is Jason, and today we are going to be talking about our beautiful NIO stock. NIO stock has been under a lot of pressure recently, guys, so it is no surprise to see that we have actually had a big sell-off in that share price. As you can see, we are actually hitting around that $35 level, which I have drawn up on a support. Now this is a very strong support, guys, because we have tested down here twice before, so this does indicate to me that we are in fact in a W-shaped recovery. I do believe that NIO actually will hopefully withstand this support area, and we will start to retest those highs of about $40 to $48 very soon. Now, what is going on with NIO? Should we be worried with all of the global chip shortages that are currently happening around the world? Why is NIO selling off, and what are we doing about it on this channel? Well guys, it comes to no surprise that NIO are in one of the largest market caps in the world, which is China, which is 1.42 billion people. NIO have an absolutely outstanding brand, and they are not just building NIO cars, guys. This company knows how to deliver, and they are actually building houses as well as a luxury leading lifestyle. NIO have cars, hats, t-shirts, mugs, and even food, and they are dominating in China. This company is set to deliver over 500,000 vehicles by the year of 2024. So do you think that a small global chip shortage and a sell-off in that share price is going to be justified 4 years from today? Well, that is a question I will leave you guys to answer. I know that in the long run, this is a no-brainer stock. NIO is set to dominate globally, and they even have the backing of the Chinese government. The Chinese government is not going to allow a US competitor like Tesla to be a global leader inside their country. That is why there are actually NIO subsidiaries. If you are in fact to purchase a new electrical vehicle, the Chinese government is actually willing to give you a handout to help tackle the global pollution in China, which will in the long run allow NIO to continue to dominate and become even more profitable. I love what this company are doing, and they have even set out for global expansion. They have plans to extend into Europe and Norway at the second quarter of this year, and they also have plans which were leaked, which I did talk about recently on my channel, to come into the US territory as the late 2023. Now I believe that this company are going all in, and they are set to dominate. Cathie Wood believes that the autonomous taxi network is going to be worth over $7 trillion in market cap, and NIO are one of the only companies out there that are concentrating on autonomous driving. NIO have level 4 capabilities right now of their autonomous driving, and I believe that they are much further ahead than a lot of companies. I believe that this company are in fact going to compete with brands such as Tesla. Do I think that NIO are going to be as big as Tesla? Well guys, it is clear that Tesla are the #1 EV company right now, but NIO does stand a very good chance up the ladder because William Li, their CEO, is absolutely incredible, and he is setting the company up for some tremendous success moving forward into the future. Again, I love everything that this company does, and I do not believe that the justification of the stock market correction that we have seen does in fact justify the share price of NIO today. I believe that this is easily a $65 stock, and in the coming years ahead, I am almost certain that this is going to be a triple-digit winner inside my portfolio, and I don't want to miss out on these unrealized gains, which is why I am not going to sell any of my shares. In fact, even if I go in the red, I have been purchasing NIO since it was in the teens, and I continue to scoop up shares anywhere below that $45 range because I believe that this stock is going to be a long-term wealth builder in my portfolio. I believe in William Li, their CEO, and I love what this company are doing. Now, NIO does have their battery as a swap technology service, and this is great for the share price of NIO because this is going to be a very highly resourceful solution. They are concentrating on recurring revenues by getting their members to pay them monthly subscriptions, which in the long run is going to in fact really benefit this stock. And why do I say this? Because in China, guys, a lot of people don't have the housing infrastructure to in fact charge their own vehicles. So a solution to this is to in fact have those companies like NIO in fact deploy those charging units around China, because that way everyone is going to be happy, and those customers are going to be able to charge their vehicles and not have the worry of needing a charger inside a garage, which they may not have because a lot of people in China again live in skyscrapers or flats. So that is why NIO have been concentrating their energy on battery swap technology, and I believe they are going to set out a global domination with this technology. I love what they are doing here, and this is a very creative aspect to their business, which could see them into some nice profits in the future. NIO is not yet profitable, guys, but like I said, with the lineup of 500,000 vehicles to be delivered in the future, it is to no surprise, guys, that this stock is going to soar. The electrical vehicle market is no joke, and disruptive innovation is happening around us right now. Cathie Wood believes in the future, that autonomous network and also robotics of electrical vehicles, and so do I. And it is worth noting, guys, that from her research, she believes that for every compounded doubling in manufacturing, the costs decline associated with this will decline by 28%. So that means that every time NIO deliver an extra 10,000 vehicles from their current 10,000, they are going to have a cost decline of 28%. Which in the long run is going to prove enormous profits for companies like NIO. I am not worried about the short-term noise or volatility that is being created by the media and also Wall Street, because I believe that they are after my shares. And if we do continue to see a sell-off in the shares of NIO, then I really do believe that Cathie Wood herself, the legendary investor, may even start to scoop up some shares of NIO. Because why wouldn't she? This company is set to deliver, they have everything going for them, and they are so much more than just an electrical vehicle company. And it is worth noting, guys, that electrical vehicle companies right now only mark up about 2% of the electrical market. So this is only set to grow moving forward into the future. And I really can't wait to be there to watch this company do that. So guys, all I ask in return for this video is that you go down below and turn that beautiful like button into a fabulous blue, and smash that subscribe button if you are new and welcome to this family of investors. My name is Jason, and I make videos on the stock market every day, and I have a price prediction on NIO for the end of the year for around $90, and I really do believe that in the long term this could easily be a triple-digit stock. I may actually revise my price target depending on how the global chip shortage does play out. But guys, it is worth noting that Tesla did close down their factory for 18 days in December due to a global chip shortage. Now, NIO has in fact only closed down their factory for 5 days, so this really is no comparison. And if you look at how Tesla's share price has performed since then, we have continued on a lot of bull momentum, especially at the beginning of the year. So this tells me, guys, that we are in fact only going to continue to see these buying opportunities throughout the future, as of course we do run into more problems potentially with semiconductor chip shortages. But in the long run, this is nothing to worry about. Why? Because of course we are going to face this, but companies like NIO are doing everything they can right now to make sure the infrastructure is in place, and companies are in fact mining more lithium around the world. But companies really are doing everything around the world right now to ensure that the infrastructure is going to be in place for the electrical vehicle market to take off and dominate. So guys, I'm excited for the future, I'm excited for electrical vehicles, and I am excited for the NIO stock. I hope that this video gave you some reassurance if you are in fact a NIO shareholder, because I am standing with you to the moon, and I will see you on the other side when this is a triple-digit stock. I hope that you did enjoy this video. Make sure to smash the thumbs up as always, and hit that big red subscribe button, and I will see you guys back here on my next video. Ciao!